Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 certified pre-owned C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 17-inch 5-spoke wheels, black MB Tex interior with a natural grain black ash wood trim, panorama sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, premium 2 package with blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, cup holders, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic select for different driving patterns. This C-Class has 49,666 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of the C300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.